Okay, if you're using MetaTrader 5 for your trading, this is for you. I want to look at how you can calculate your pips in a particular trade. On my chart you have Euro USD and then I have gold, so we're going to use those two pairs as an example. Let's start with Euro USD. What I encourage my students to do is when you have an entry point, you need to do is just take the line, take the horizontal line and place it on the chart like this, and maybe you could edit the line by clicking on properties and editing the figure, the parameters. Yes. So let's assume we want to get into the trade. Let's say we want to do a pending trade at 1.11475. 11475. You have to type that 75. You need to type that into the value and OK it. So that's the point. You just got that point where the red line is. Let me remove the other red lines. Yeah, you can delete the lines. And then after that, you now know the point where your entry is going to be, which is 11475. So now you place an order by clicking on new order and come to pending order. Now we assume we have a sell order. Okay, let's say you got a signal to make a sell order at that point. So at that point, for a sell, it means you're going to do a sell limit because that point is above the market point. So you're going to do a sell limit. So 11475, that's the price. So you put out there at the price points 11475. You see the place button is highlighted now, but if you put any, if you had done maybe sell stop, you discover that it will not highlight. Now you're doing sell limits, so it will highlight and then you can place your order. What I encourage you to do to be fast, in order not to lose out, you place your order first before you make use of the other parameters like the stop loss and take profits. That is if you were given those figures. But if you don't have those figures, which you will definitely, you're supposed to normally have at least one of them. So just place your order, and when you're done placing your order, you can always modify. Talk about modifying later on. You can always modify your order for your take profit and your stop loss. But let's just assume we want take profits from that point and we want 10. Okay, let's say we want 20 pips from that point. How do you get 20 pips from that point? It's simple. Just minus 20 from the figure you're given. Now take note that this figure is a 5-digit figure, and so it makes it a micro pip. So if someone gives you, like, say someone tells you 20 pips, you're going to remove the last digit in order to get your 20 pips. If not, you're going to add 0 to your 20 to make it 200 micro pips in order to get your 20 pips. I don't know if that's clear. You have to add 100 to your 20 in order to get your 20 pips. In that way, you'll be at the actual point. So if you minus 200 away from 11475, what will you have? You have 11275, I guess. Okay, so let's assume it's 11275. That will be your take profit point. 11275. So you see, before you typed that, the stop was not highlighting because your take profit point was too close to your entry point. Now you've typed it and you can now place your order successfully. So let's not do stop loss, okay? Let's not do stop loss. We're going to just do take profit at this point. So, but if you want to do stop loss, what you would have to do is to add whatever you're stopping at this point. But let's place this first. We'll always do other ones. This example. Please wait, so that has been placed in queue. Right. So that is gone. So you can modify that later on, but right now we're just going to leave it like that. So your entry point was where this line is. Oh, sorry about that. It's going to modify, but that's how you can modify though. But let's leave it at that point. Oh, I'm trying to remove this guy.